Hey yo, what's going on guys, and today it's Emerald Gaming back here with another unboxing. My first unboxing from speedcube.com.au. The new fidget spinner floppy cube and the Chiayisin S Chi Cube 4x4. Let's get into the opening of my first ever unboxing. So, which one should you do this? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. Every time I'm let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Spinner last. Okay, let's get to the opening of the 4x4. It's a really nice box. I got it in stickerless because you know you don't want any non-cubers coming up and stealing your stickers off. Panther, we can just chuck that in the bin. What was that? We can just chuck that in the bin. Actually, wait, no, I need that for learning how to do 4x4. And then the actual cube itself. First turns. It's okay. Tensions are pretty loose. Too loose for my stands. I'll probably have to tighten them up. I'll do that right now. Actually, no, I'll do it later. So that's all comes in the 4x4 box. Pretty empty, standard Chi box. Can't get that off. They weren't meant to do the... Yeah, pretty standard box, nothing else in it, I'll even show you. So yeah, we don't be needing... Actually, I need it for my box collection. One sec. Boom! Back! So that's with the 4x4. Corner cutting. It's not that good, but yeah. Next is the it's the fidget puzzle turny thingy. And of course, if you just look up a bit here, I took the stickers off because I don't really like stickers. And I got it in the blue. You can also get it in black. Links to these two puzzles will be in the description below. Just gotta get this piece of rubbish out. If you saw that bit, timed it down and put it down in the comments section. So yeah, let's do this now. Oh, whoop, dang, that's a good spinner. That's a good spinner, and it even turns. I'll do a quick solve. And as you can see, it does jumble. I actually learned how to solve it today. I picked these all up at... If you hear music in the background, I hope I don't get copyright. This is the Mama Don't Shush Your Mind song. Done. And it also stands on this thing. That's all pretty cool. Then we have the fidget puzzle, because it's a fidget spinner. Of course, if you didn't realize by how it spins. I just want to miss a line there. Bit better. And then you also get a bag. There. So yeah, links to these two puzzles and SpeedCube's website will be down in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching, and happy gaming with the emeralds. Bye!